Do you want to whip up an incredible pasta dish in less than 15 minutes that'll make your taste buds dance? Stay tuned and I'll show you how to prepare orecchiette with broccoli. Take a fresh broccoli and cut it into florets. Broccoli is considered a superfood, rich in numerous vitamins, such as vitamin C, B and K, as well as precursors of vitamin A. It also contains important minerals like potassium, calcium, magnesium and iron. Put the broccoli florets into boiling water and blanch them for 2 to 3 minutes. This way the broccoli becomes a bit softer, but maintains its crunchy consistency. This cooking process also eliminates any germs, which is an added benefit. After boiling, plunge the broccoli into cold water to stop the cooking process and preserve its bright green color. Pour some olive oil into a pan. It contains healthy fats and fat-soluble vitamins that enhance the nutritional density of the dish. Crush the garlic with the knife to release the essential oils. These contain aromatic compounds for the characteristic flavor. Fry the garlic in olive oil to flavor the oil. This will give our pasta dish an additional layer of taste. Use high-quality olive oil for the best results. As soon as the broccoli starts cooking in the pan, it begins to release its full aroma. Gently frying it creates the perfect balance between its tender texture and crispy exterior. Each bite promises an extraordinary taste experience. Season with a pinch of salt. Stir well to ensure the broccoli cooks evenly and each piece achieves the perfect texture. Now let's cook our pasta, the orecchiette. Thanks to their concave shape and rough surface, they pair perfectly with vegetables like broccoli. Have you tried this dish before? Share it with us in the comments. Take the orecchiette out of the water and mix them with the broccoli. Add a little of the pasta cooking water and mix well. This step makes everything a bit creamier and unifies all the flavors. Ecco qua, orecchiette with broccoli. If you want to see more recipes like this, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss any new videos.